Good morning, guys. Hope you're well. Just a quick update on the market. We've had a 30,000 Bitcoin. It did hit 30,000 a few days ago, but it wasn't the floor. So I think it's like it wicked up to 30k and then dumped down. But as you can see from the chart, it's doing that sort of motion. So what we see typically, I've been through many bull runs, I've been through many bear markets, and what typically happens is when Bitcoin starts to go up, everything else obviously naturally follows. But it takes a few weeks, probably about 2 weeks, for it to reflect in, Ethereum tokens, BSC tokens, even Solana tokens. And if we have a look at what's sort of doing well and what's sort of pumping, obviously market cap in consideration, Solana seems like a really good bet. And I have not so much a large bag. I mean, I brought right at the top and I DCA'd all the way down into Solana, as a few people know. And I'm quite heavily invested into Solana to a degree. And it's up 30% in, 7 days, which is pretty good. And then we haven't even had any news. We haven't had anything sort of pop off, like in terms of ETF or anything like that. If they do come through, which is highly likely. But Stacks is also doing well. Stacks are building a layer 2 similar to like Ethereum BSC, but it's on the Bitcoin network. So they made the ordinals. I think it's pretty good. I've got a nice, stack of stacks, and they pay, if you stake it, they pay out in Bitcoin as well. So other than that, there are a few things going up like 15%. Mina protocol is a really good one as well. I don't know if I hold any. But things are doing well. I'm a bit disappointed on XRP in terms of, they've had some bullish news come out and it seems to not be doing well. I've never been bullish on XRP. I think it's centralized. I think it's like irrelevant. There's so many better tokens out there. But things are doing well. I think Chainlink is also one to watch. I don't hold any Chainlink, but it seems to be doing well. But we can take a look at the chains. I think in the coming weeks, we're going to have a lot more volume coming into the market and a lot more people launching, a lot more people buying, people coming back. Now, I always say, people have left crypto in terms of, BSC, Ethereum. Now, what is key or something to note is when those people come back and then the new people come in as well, chances are it potentially could be an even bigger bull run in terms of tokens, mooning, everything, the volume, the trading volume, because it's been dire for about a year. It's like, it's not even worth to launch a token. But as we can see, these are the weekends. As you can see, it's always a dip on the weekends. You can even see it from just blindly looking. But the last 2 days have been pretty good. And I'm expecting probably highs of, this sort of volume around this level to come in, which is about, 1 billion trading volume. We've got 760. We can take a look on BSC as well and see how that's doing. I'm only looking at PancakeSwap and obviously Uniswap because they're the trading platforms. And again, BSC doesn't look too fantastic. We're looking at, 190 trading volume. But I expect that to go to between 300 and 600 in the coming few weeks. I'll do a video update on it, but keep an eye on it. Tokens are doing well. I feel like they're doing a bit better. There's a bit more volume. Before it was like tokens were hitting, 4K on BSC. Now they're hitting 15K. So hopefully we get back to the stage where they're hitting 15 million. We'll keep an eye on the market. I'm obviously always in it. And if you have any questions, join the groups below and we'll talk there.